Hey guys, welcome back to Florevrard's kitchen. Today I am sharing a unique and delicious recipe you don't want to miss. Fried groundnut cabbage sauce served with boiled yam. This dish is packed with flavor, super nutritious and perfect for any time of the day. If you love trying new and creative ways to enjoy your cabbage, with yams, this one is for you. Stay tuned and watch how I bring this amazing recipe to life, step by step. Okay, in a pot of boiled water, we put in our vegetable, cabbage to steam. Do not overcook. You can add in some salt if you wish. After we drain off the water, squeeze off the water, and here comes our cabbage ready to be fried. Heat some vegetable oil, add in your onions, chopped or sliced, whichever way you wish, and let that saute for a while. Then you bring in your tomatoes. Cook that tomato until it is perfectly done or it's no longer sour. Okay. Our tomato is ready. We know it's ready when the oil starts floating above the tomatoes. So it's ready to put in the peanut paste or is peanut butter you're using. Mix that very well until smooth. I just love making cabbage in this form. There are times I make cabbage with just tomatoes that like fried cabbage. You can make it with a goosey, you can make it with wet peanuts, and this one is another favorite that I always love to make with fried groundnut. Yes, you can say fried peanut or fried groundnut. Yes. After that is mixed very well, you bring in your steamed assorted meat or whichever protein you're using. This is the best time to put in your protein. Here we have some meats, canda, that is pomo. We have some, yes, every form of meat, like the assorted. I said assorted is a mixture of different kinds of meat. Yes. Bring in your onions. If you are not a lover of onions, you can skip that. It's optional, but I love it in my stew or sauce or whatever I'm cooking. I use a lot of onions. Bring in that fish which is already deboned and already steamed. Yeah, steamed with some salt and Maggi. So I'll just put in that just to ease my work. So everything was already prepared. Give that a good stir. Add in the Maggi crevette if you have. If you don't have, you can still use any seasoning of your choice. Guys, the aroma that is coming out from this pot, oh my god. I hear some people say they don't like cabbage, they don't like it has a lot of water. It's like this. It's a very healthy vegetable. Believe me, check out the use of cabbage. It's very, very, very nutritional. It depends on how you prepare your cabbage. There are ways you will prepare it and you will enjoy. You always want to be eating cabbage, and this is one of the ways. I mean it. You need to try this method, guys. Try this fried peanut cabbage sauce. You need to be changing food, right? You need to be changing, like it's not only one and the same kind, like fried cabbage with tomatoes, fried cabbage with tomatoes. Get some innovations in the kitchen. Try other methods, guys, and you will thank me later. Try this, okay? Okay, it's time for us to put in our already squeezed cabbage. The quantity is actually much. I'm not going to use all. I'll keep the rest in the refrigerator. So when you're putting, you just put and you check, put and check, so that the cabbage will not cover all the paste. It should be just even. It should be equal. Guys, it's time to bring in your crayfish. So in there you put in your crayfish. If you love much crayfish, you can add. If you don't like, you can still skip that out, but I love crayfish in vegetables. It gives that special taste. Mixed very well. And if you take note, my flame is not too high because this vegetable is already cooked, like steamed, so we are not cooking it again. I'm just mixing for everything to taste well. Immediately everything tastes well, I put down the flame completely. Our food is ready. I also add in black pepper, a little bit of white pepper. You can add in any other ingredients you like we can also, at times I also put in some curry powder, but here I don't want curry powder for this recipe today, so it's just a little bit of white pepper and black pepper, just a little bit of black pepper. Taste and make some adjustment. Here is that delicious meal you're waiting for. Can you see that? Guys, this is a must try. Enjoy.